We are almost done with AutoCAD school, so let us look at some utilities and features that we can use to our advantage. The first one will be the measure geom. So it is a quick tool that can be used to measure distances, radius, angle, area, volume of anything that we are drawing. So you can just use the tool as a quick useful feature to check if your drawings are actually accurate. So let's first draw some objects without any dimensions, and let's see how the measure geom can help us to get certain geometric features on the object. So we have the distance one that we can just use to check the distance between any two objects, and it actually gives you a lot of options to select. Although we have only selected that distance, it gives you the linear distance, it gives you the aligned distance, so that you can get all the information that you need just by clicking once. You can also select the radius or the angle, or even to get the area of that particular object. The quick one just measures features that are close to your crosshair, so that everywhere you place the crosshair, it gives you different distances or radius or anything that, or any information that you can get from that object. Then we have the calculator tool. So it is used for quick calculations, and we can find it under the utilities ribbon in the home tab. The shortcut for the calculator tool is Ctrl+8. Then let's look at the multi-point tool. Depending on what you are drawing and where we want to draw from, we might decide to place points at certain parts of the screen so that it can guide us to draw or to remember exactly where we wanted to draw the objects from. Whichever point style you think you can use, you can change it and then use that to draw. Later on, we'll see how important the multi-point is. Sometimes you might forget some of the points where you have to draw from, but then the multi-points or the points will guide you to draw. Then we have the center mark and then the center line under the Annotate tab. So under the Annotate tab, we have the normal annotation that we've already looked at, plus the center mark and then the center line. So what do they do? The center mark can be used to determine the center of a circle, or instead of us using the normal lines to draw the center mark of a circle, we can just use the center mark and then select the circle, and AutoCAD automatically generates two crossing center lines that indicate the center of a circle. And the center line can be used when we have two lines and then we want the center of those lines. So to use the center line, all that you do is to select the center line first. Then you go on to select any two lines, and AutoCAD creates a center line between the two lines. Now there are other small features that we can use in AutoCAD, but I would like us to start drawing so that when they become necessary, we introduce them.